All right, so let's start the containers. I have a temp directory that has config in it, since I'm not pulling it out of my main work and writing over my own stuff. And that's the this is the Docker run script I showed you earlier, and it's simply the network's already up, and this is just creating the Docker containers, which are now acting as nodes. And here you can see one of them booting up. And eventually it's going to show you some log as it starts up. So it's creating all the Saga Python load balancers, and here it's running and the node's up. And I'm going to put that away for a second, and then I'm actually going to do this. I'm just doing the same thing manually, starting the same processes because I'm now on a local machine, and so that's the node you're debugging. Um, and I have a debug script. I should show that too. I'm debugging under um, VS Code, and my launch script for it is this one. And here I am giving the config for the YML file for this node. This is node 1. And then literally it just comes up and runs. Show you the debug for it. They'll attach. That's the I'm using libp2p with the gossip sub for gossiping. Here they are connecting. There's a wait while it does a 10 seconds for the leader timeout, leader to start up. Again, I don't have dynamic nodes, so at the moment I'm just putting a timer in to put it to make everything line up so it starts correctly. Obviously that goes away. And then it's just running and it'll gossip and send messages, and that's not that's literally what it does. The events, if anybody ever wants to track the actual event numbers, so the states will give you the states the FSMs are in. The events are defined in event interface, and here's the list of them. All the events are global to all the finite state machines. Um, that's not 100. Yep. And so it goes down. There's a bunch of them, and so you can goes up to 102. Um, Technically, there can be more than these because state machines can define their own as well. Just to make it clear, um, here's sorry, all windows. Let me go back to this guy and think of it. So here's Docker logs, node 3, node 4. Oop, and look at that. There's a crash. Node 5, node 6. So we're running along fine. Um, that's actually nice. Gonna crash, got somebody to actually go debug. Um, that's basically it. You have a running system, the gossip's running, the state machines are running, the blocks are running.